Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store, inside find Firefox and then click on the install. When it's ready you should be able to open a browser. Right here we can customize it. You can sign in to turn on synchronization, switch your theme, pick your toolbar placement, then select the privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing. We can open any website and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.